Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set TikTok audio as an alarm. To start, open your TikTok app in your mobile device. Then select the video sound which you want to use as an alarm. Then hold the video and tap on Save Video. Now go back to the home page and open your Safari app. Then here, search TikTok MP3 download. Here, tap on Download TikTok MP3 online with free TikTok. Now go back to the TikTok and copy the link of that video. Hold the video. Then swipe right and tap on Copy Link. Now paste the link of that video here. Then tap on Download to continue. Wait for it to load. Now scroll down and tap on Download MP3. Tap on Download. Now go back to the main menu and tap on Clock. Here tap on Alarm as you can see on your screen. Tap on Setup. Then tap on Sound to continue. After that, tap on Pick a Song. Here tap on Open Apple Music. From here, you can set a TikTok audio as an alarm. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.